How to add TubeBuddy extension to YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about adding TubeBuddy extension to YouTube in the easiest, most simplest way possible. And it's going to be really easy, really simple, so just walk yourself through with me. So you're going to go on your Chrome web store and you're just going to type in TubeBuddy. Okay, and it says TubeBuddy for YouTube, so we're just gonna search up TubeBuddy, and there we go. There's a TubeBuddy. We're gonna open that up, add to Opera, and it's basically a powerful extension for any YouTube creator. You may be a YouTube creator, and that is why you want to add TubeBuddy to YouTube. So that is exactly what I did, and I have YouTube opened up over here, just to get a helpful check of it. So just waiting for TubeBuddy to be downloaded. Obviously, TubeBuddy is a pretty relatively big extension, so it's going to take a few moments to download. And once it's downloaded, till then, you can actually see the features that TubeBuddy provides us. So the features are YouTube optimization and channel management. Okay, you get 10 million brands and creators. You can integrate directly into YouTube to help running your channel, etc., etc. So you get the point. So I'm going to come over to YouTube and I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to open up TubeBuddy over here. And you're obviously going to give it page access. I'm going to go run on click. And once you do that, you're going to reload. And your TubeBuddy is basically done. So here are your updated settings to the TubeBuddy website. Make sure everything is according and everything is well and good to run. And yeah, now you have TubeBuddy added, and that is how you're going to add TubeBuddy extension to YouTube. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.